To remove the main bezel, first remove the access panel. Unlatch the 3 side tabs of the main bezel. And rotate the bezel away from the PC. The main bezel has 3 tabs on each side. Which fit into 6 slots on the PC. To replace the main bezel, align the tabs on the left side of the bezel into their slots on the PC. Then rotate the bezel into position. Snap it firmly into place.